Today I'm going to show you how to make a home style version of a monoprint. So I have a few supplies here, a piece of paper, a piece of sidewalk chalk. If you have regular chalk, that would work fine. Also chalk pastel would work. I have a construction paper crayon. They work better than regular crayons, but you can use regular crayon as well. And I have a pencil. So the first thing we're going to do is take our paper and fold it in half. I have a colored piece of paper, but white paper would work fine as well. Just make sure that it is in good contrast to the color of crayon that you are using. So this is a dark crayon, light paper. And we're actually going to start on the inside on one half, and we're going to coat that with chalk. The color of chalk doesn't really matter. It just helps the crayon come off of the paper. You might get some chalk dust, so you might want to have a trash can nearby. The next step is to take your crayon and you're going to color over the chalk, but you're not going to color back and forth. You're going to do lines in one direction. If you rub it back and forth, you'll rub too much of the chalk away. So you're coating the whole thing. Make sure you have a piece of paper underneath because you can tell I'm getting a lot of crayon on my paper. I think I have it covered pretty well. All right, so remember, a monoprint is a print that you can only get once. So if you don't like your print, you would have to get another piece of paper and start over, but no matter how much you try, it would probably look a little different. So the next step is to close up your paper, and we want to make this side, the colored side, on top. And you are going to draw a design. You need to press hard with your pencil as you're doing this and try to not let the paper shift too much as you're drawing. So my hand is starting to hurt because of pressing so hard. So every now and then you might need to shake that out. All right, so the moment of truth is to open it up and see what it looks like. And there's your monoprint. So the image, the crayon from this side transferred over to the opposite side of the paper. You can also see how when the crayon transferred to this side, it left the chalk showing underneath.